Let's take a look at making links as accessible as possible for our students. We'll go over a few key tenets of accessible links and demonstrate how to apply them to both our Moodle courses and Google Docs. Then we'll wrap up with a few other helpful tips for accessible links. The most important step in making links accessible is creating hyperlinks. That is, avoiding copying and pasting a link directly onto a page and instead embedding it within a word or phrase. Hyperlinks should be a different color text and underlined in order to be visually identified quickly. They should also be the only thing underlined. Let's take a quick look at the difference between these two example assignments, one bad and one good. Here, I've just pasted the link directly onto the page. Looks a bit messy, right? Instead, we can put this link inside the text and it looks much neater. This will both help keep our pages clean looking and allow screen reader users to more easily identify the purpose of a link. If we don't, then a screen reader will read out the entire URL, which, as you know, can be a long jumble of characters. This concision will help everyone navigate the page faster. We also want to make sure the hypertext is a useful phrase for our link. If it just says, "click here," that doesn't tell us much about what we are clicking on. But if it says, "COM 101 Lecture Video Week 3, that might be more helpful for users. This dedication to clarity and consistency will help all students. So let's try all that in Moodle first. Here, I have a page open where I want to share resources with students. I might type something like, "Please watch the following video," and my instinct is to just copy and paste the video URL. However, what I should do is embed this link within my text, and I want the text that has the link to be helpful in telling people what they're clicking on. So instead I might type, "Please watch the video, What the Discovery of Exoplanets Reveals About the Universe." And I want to use that video's title as my link. So I highlight it, hit Ctrl-K on Windows or Command-K on Mac, copy and paste my link into this box, check Open in New Window, and then click Create Link. Instead of using the keyboard shortcut, you can also click the drop-down arrow and click this link icon to do the same thing we just did. Hopping over to Google Docs, the process is almost exactly the same. Type your link phrase out, highlight it, hit Ctrl or Command-K, then copy and paste your link into the box and hit Enter. You can also go to the top menu, click Insert, and go all the way down to Link. Some other tips for creating accessible links. Keep links a reasonable length. If it's too short, like linking just the letter A, it may be too hard to click on for someone who struggles with fine motor control. So if it's absolutely necessary to have a link that's short, adjust the font size to be larger to increase the clickable area. On the other hand, we want to avoid links that are as long as a sentence or more. Such lengthy links may be frustrating to users who cannot skim through it and have to listen to a screen reader read the entire link. So it's best to stick with a word or short phrase for hyperlinks. Thank you for taking time to learn about creating accessible links. If you need further assistance, the Office of Online and Distance Learning is available to help, or see the additional resources in the video description.